Gupta Empire, Chandragupta-I. Chandragupta-I, also known as Chandragupta Gupta, was one of the prominent rulers of the Gupta Empire during the 4th century CE. Here are some key details about Chandragupta-I. Ascension to the throne. Chandragupta-I ascended to the throne around 320 CE. He was the son of Ghatotkacha, a chief of the Gupta clan, and married Kumaradevi, a Lichchhavi princess from present-day Nepal. This marriage alliance brought in significant political and territorial advantages. Consolidation of power. Chandragupta-I embarked on a series of military campaigns to consolidate his power and expand the Gupta Empire. He successfully defeated several neighboring kingdoms and established Gupta control over significant territories in northern India. Alliance with Lichchhavis. Chandragupta-I's marriage to Kumaradevi forged a powerful alliance between the Guptas and the Lichchhavis. This alliance helped strengthen the Gupta Empire and solidify their hold over northern India. Patron of the arts and learning. Chandragupta-I was a patron of the arts and learning. He supported scholars, poets, and artists, which led to a flourishing cultural and intellectual environment during his reign. This patronage contributed to the golden age of the Gupta Empire. Religious policies. Chandragupta-I was a devout follower of Hinduism. While he promoted and patronized Hinduism, he also practiced religious tolerance and respected other faiths within his empire. Legal and administrative reforms. Chandragupta-I implemented several administrative and legal reforms. He established an efficient bureaucracy and codified laws to ensure better governance and justice within the empire. Coinage and iconography. Chandragupta-I introduced new types of coinage with his portrait and various symbols. These coins provide valuable insights into the Gupta administration, religious beliefs, and artistic styles of the time. Succession. Chandragupta-I was succeeded by his son, Samudragupta, who became one of the most celebrated Gupta rulers. Chandragupta-I played a crucial role in laying the foundation for the Gupta Empire's prominence. His military conquests, alliances, and administrative reforms contributed to the empire's stability and expansion. His patronage of art, learning, and religious tolerance fostered a period of cultural and intellectual brilliance that defined the golden age of the Gupta Empire.